Eudaimonia welcomes you. This is Humaira, and today's episode is going to be about hair care. We all have tried so many home remedies, we have tried commercial products too, and we've not seen the results that we wanted. But I realized that it does not have to be so complicated. In fact, it is simple to take care of your health if you know what your hair requires. So today's episode is going to be about the food that your hair needs for growth and nourishment, and also I will be sharing my favorite savior tip for hair. We all know how important it is to have a balanced diet, but there are some food products that are responsible for enhancing and in turn improving your hair. So that is why we're going to start with the first one, that is protein. And when we talk about protein, how can you forget the best source of protein? That is the eggs. Eggs are known as a complete protein because it has all the essential amino acids that are not found in other food products. Eggs are very important for your hair. These are made of protein and biotin that are important for hair growth. Biotin is known to produce the hair protein called keratin. Eggs also contain zinc, selenium, and other healthy nutrients. Vitamin C deserves to be mentioned everywhere because it has so much to offer. Apart from the benefits that we already know, it also plays an important role in hair growth, and that is why it is very important for us to include foods that are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C has antioxidant properties. They are able to protect our hair follicles from the damage by the harmful factors in the environment, since it knows how to fight against the free radicals. Vitamin C also produces collagen that is important for strengthening your brittle hair. And like I have mentioned in my posts, vitamin C also helps in the absorption of iron, thus preventing iron deficiency anemia. If your vitamin C levels are down, there are chances that your iron levels will also be deficit. If your iron deficit, then you are more likely to have anemia. If you are anemic, it will have an impact on your hair growth as well. So you see how each nutrient is so important. And the same way we move on to our next nutrient, which is omega-3, and it is also very important for your hair. Omega-3 fatty acid is a great source of protein, selenium, vitamin D3 and B vitamins that help in promoting strong and healthy hair. There is a long list of foods from which you can pick what you want for your diet. Just make sure that you have nutrients like zinc, selenium, iron, folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, etc. included so that you provide the nourishment that your hair needs. Also, if it is not possible to meet these from the diet, then you are allowed to take supplements. But make sure that you consult a professional before doing so. And with this, we reach the most important and exciting part of today's video. I'm going to share the rice water hair tip that has done wonders to my hair. I had discovered this the time where I had lost hope for my hair. My hair had become very thin and very light. I used to have voluminous, thick hair, and I had lost all of that. So I found out about rice water, and it has been great since then. So today I'm going to share the same with you. Simple to do this. You just have to take a cup of rice. Make sure that you rinse it before you use. Just add it to your container. You can take any container that you like, okay? And you just have to, forgot to get a spoon, never mind. You just have to pour water. Make sure that you add enough water that will be required for your hair. It depends on your hair length. So you just pour water. A little bit more. And you have to keep this for at least 12 hours. I keep it overnight so that the next morning I can wash my hair. So you can keep it for as long as you can. Keep it in the fridge if you're storing it. Let the rice be inside the water so that it absorbs all the nutrients. And once you have soaked it for enough time, next part is where you wash your hair. You normally wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. You have to continue the same. But once your hair has been rinsed after the conditioner, you have to use this water. Strain it and keep the rice grains separately. I'm going to tell you what we can do with the rice grains. Take this water. You can put this water in a spray bottle or let it be in the container and make partitions in your hair and spray this water everywhere. Massage it with your fingertips and let it be for 15 to 20 minutes. Once your time is done, you are allowed to rinse your hair with normal water. You don't have to scrub your hair much to get rid of the rice water. If it's remaining in your hair, it's okay. And just one rinse of normal water is enough, and that's it. You're done. You have to use this rice water regularly, especially in the initial stages where your hair growth is very slow and you are losing a lot of hair. I used to use it twice a week, and I did this for months. And now it is not very regular, but my hair growth hasn't stopped since then. I still have baby hair, and the growth is really good. There is also shine and luster in your hair. It adds the thickness that you have been wanting. Your hair fall is going to reduce. So it's definitely a very good tip that you can try. Now talking about the rice grain that I asked you to not throw, you just have to dry it in the sun and make it into fine powder and use it for your face as a face mask. I have mentioned this in my Instagram posts also, that you can use it with yogurt or milk and make it into a fine paste and apply it to your face, because it helps in exfoliating your skin, it helps in tightening of your skin, and also it is helpful in removing the tans that we normally have. So yeah, nothing is wasted over here. This we come to an end to today's video. I hope it was informative and helpful. I hope you regain all your lost hair, and I hope this tip works for you. There are many tips that people try. People apply eggs and whatnot, but it does not work for me. This is something that has really done wonders, and it has been tried and tested by many people. So I hope it works for you too. Do let me know if it did, and if you have any queries regarding today's video, you can comment below and ask. I will be happy to help. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and until next time, love, invest, find yourself and enjoy.